Are you ready? If you're happy and you know it, say meow. If you're happy and you know it, say meow. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, say meow.
No. Come on. Poor Walter. I know.
Is that good? No? Did you like it? No? Can you wake up? You don't want to wake up?
Carl?
What's wrong, Carl? Hey, look over here. Carl, look over here. Does he look pissed?
Stinky kitty.
I'm sorry, baby. That's such a beautiful box and a good wash. I know. Ow! Oh! Shit.
Good morning. I love you. Are you ready for your day? Do you want kisses?
You can't eat fake plants. No. No.
What's wrong? Yeah? Really?
Pork chop, are you stretching? Yeah? Go ahead, keep going.
Big news happening in Indiana. Breaking news. Word of a bus crash. So let's get to the breaking big word of Eric King for this story.
Yeah, this is
And you're gonna hear me. And you're gonna hear me. And you're gonna hear me.
Chilling, Big Mac? Just chilling out? Is that comp? You comp?
Yes. Yes, cat. Yeah. Well, she left because you're kind of freaking her out. What is your problem?
You like it? Do ya? You like it?